Zion echo, it's a time. Yeah, man. Inna the dancehall, the rhythm play. Rasta vibes light up the way. Ganja smoke curl, rise to the sky. Live with spirits, jazz love can't die. Them call it Kaya or OG Kush. With every puff, the worries get bush. The drum beat strong, me heart a feel. One love chant, Jah make it real. Me say, Rasta man chant Jah psalms. Inna the herb, we find Jah calm. Roll it tight, make the flame ignite. Jah vibes keep the darkness light. One love chant, make the people unite. Under Jah stars, the future bright. Herb are the key, herb are the guide. One love chant, Jah live inside. The lion roar, the herb make we brave. Jah's wisdom lead we from the grave. The youth them rise, the elder teach. The power of Jah, we can impeach. Herb for the healing, herb for the soul. Babylon tumble, Jah's truth unfold. With every puff, we elevate. One love chant, fi seal we fate. Me say, Rasta man chant Jah psalms. Inna the herb, we find Jah calm. Roll it tight, make the flame ignite. Jah vibes keep the darkness light. One love chant, make the people unite. Under Jah stars, the future bright. Herb are the key, herb are the guide. One love chant, Jah live inside. Them can divide the love we share. Jah presence strong, it's everywhere. With the herb, me chant Jah name. One love chant, fi break the chain. One love chant, Jah guide the way. Forever light up, Jah holy ray. With the rhythm and the herb combine. One love chant, we feel divine. Chant, Jah guide the way. Forever light up, Jah holy ray. With the rhythm and the herb combine. One love chant, we feel divine. One love chant, Jah guide the way. Forever light up. Aye aye aye, Rasta man so high. Ooh yeah, yeah. Yeah man, give me the Cossack's. Shine bright, grab me chalice, start me day right. Breathe in the love, exhale the pain. Herb of Jah bring sunshine for rain. On the hills where the Rasta trod, chant Jah psalms, give thanks to God. The breeze whisper sweet, the sky are blue. Every puff remind me what is true. No trouble can hold me soul. The herb make me spirit whole. They rise above the hate, the lies. With Jah light me realize. Green blessings them keep I high. Like the stars we shine up in the sky. Roll it up, light it up, let it fly. Rasta vibration, Jah will provide. From the streets of Kingston to Cali breeze. Herb I travel like waves in the seas. Purple haze or OG gold. The message in the smoke, our story told. Babylon system, them full of greed. But Jah herb make the mind feel freed. We chant for the youth, for the next generation. The herb is love, not just recreation. No trouble can hold me soul. The herb make me spirit whole. Me rise above the hate, the lies. With Jah Light me realize. Green blessings them keep I high, like the stars we shine up in the sky. Roll it up, light it up, let it fly. Rasta vibration, Jah will provide. We chant down Babylon, smoke the fire. Burn negativity, rise up higher. From Kingston streets to Cali breeze, the herb unite we, set we free. Green blessings, them flow through my veins. Jah herb wash away all the pain. Forever grateful, Jah light to shine. Green blessings, divine and kind. Zion echoes. Rasta man is so high. Me see the world upon the people a fight. Me see the innocent a lose them light. The leaders a trick with them full of lie. Them sell with soul and them can't deny. But me say unity are the way if it trod. Jah give we love and me nah go mad. Black, white, yellow or brown. Me no see no color when me look pan town. Me walk on the street and me feel the pain. The ghetto youth cry them a live in vain. The war machine it a take them soul. The world so cold but Jah make we bold. So me chant me psalm and me sing me song. Me know the righteous a go stand up strong. No more war, no more hate. We are open the gates, make love penetrate. One world, one people. One love, one heart. No more division, make we take a fresh start. One world, one people. Stand up and unite. Jah light a shine bright, where the darkness can't fight. Them build up the borders, them build up the walls. Them want we separate, but love never falls. The rich get richer, the poor them ball. But me hear Jah voice, it a make the call. Tell the youth them rise up tall. The wicked can't win, them can't stand at all. Me sight the future, it bright and clean. The vision of Jah, me know say real. No matter where you come from, no matter the race, we all are Jah children, the same embrace. So put down the gun, put down the fight. One world together make we live upright. The system a fail, the walls a break. Jah warriors rise, make the whole earth shake. No more war, no more crime. Love in a me heart, me a make it shine. No more pain, no more hate. The time for unite, me can't hesitate. One world, one people. One love, one heart. No more division, make we take a fresh start. One world, one people. Stand up and unite. Jah light a shine bright, where the darkness can't fight. One world, one family. One destiny. Jah guide we all. That's the legacy. dream them call real life, but everything plug in full of strife. Touch screen world with no real touch. Connection fake, but them claim it's much. Them build a tower with data and cloud. The people shout, but the silence loud. Scrolling for truth, but truth not there. Just filters fear and viral steer. Me see them drown in Wi-Fi waves, living in a digital grave. Mind get locked, soul get soul. Jah wisdom forgotten, too bold fi unfold. Me granny said pick me, look to the tree, but them look to the likes and the new TV. Oh, we reach so far, from earth and sky, from roots to robot. Me wonder why digital Babylon take we soul, wrap we brain in mind control. But Jah light shine through screen and smoke. Me chant the truth with every stroke. Digital Babylon, you can't win. Me chant in a heart, not just within. Me unplug and me reconnect to spirit, to love, to full respect. The youth them learn from viral trend, not from elder or real friend. Them talk emoji, feel no pain. Swipe left, but still remain in chain. Me say nah, me voice nah mute. Me rise with drum, me beat salute. Me link with nature, roots man flow. Me find me path, where rivers go. Them track me step, them know me name, but them can't catch me sacred flame. Me walk with trees, me reason deep, while digital Babylon put we to sleep. But spirit not sleep, it only wait for time when we break the clickbait gate. So me chant for the youth, me chant for the soul, fi break the code and reclaim control. Digital Babylon take we soul, wrap we brain in mind control. But Jah light shine through screen and smoke. Me chant the truth with every stroke. Digital Babylon, you can't win. Me chant in a heart, not just within. Me unplug and me reconnect to spirit, to love, to full respect. Me build me temple far from up, where sun still bless and rivers clap. No feed, no ping, no false disguise, just stars above and open skies. Me chant with roots, me meditate. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa. Zion go, Zion young. Yeah, we born in a cage, but we mind can fly. Them hide the keys, but with third eye spy. Them flood we feed with pretty lies. Filter the truth till freedom dies. The screen a priest preach Babylon talk, but the spirit walk where the lions walk. Them put chains on imagination, steal we soul with sweet temptation. But me nah in a race feel likes and fame. Me chant for the youth, them lost in shame. Every other distraction, every post a mask. While we drink from cup, them never ask. Me unplug, me reconnect to roots, to love, to full respect. So me close me eyes and me hear Jah call. Beyond the nice, beyond the wall. Me rise above, me float like breeze, while Babylon drown in plastic seas. Chains of illusion, me broke them now. Jah light lead through shadow, show them twist we mind with sweet seduction. But me chant truth, me build eruption. Chains of illusion silent and tight, but fire within brings sacred sight. From darkness rise, from silence grow. A revolution them can't control. Me see me brethren scrolling deep, fi chase a dream while them sleep. But this dream them sell a trap in disguise. The system built fi hypnotize. hypnotize. We not know peace, only price tag joy. Them sell weak ties, but treat we like boy. Me say nah, me soul not fi rent. Me chant down lies with firmament. Them teach we consume, not fi create. Fi love we cage, fi trust we faith. But me plant me truth like seed in soil, and me not stop till the chain spoil. We mine a battlefield without a flame. Fi free this self is not a game. Them fear when we rise and overstand, so them flood we with illusion. But Jah wisdom deeper than algorithm. We chant psalms, we move with rhythm. Them shadow weak when we light expand. We now go beg, we take the land. Chains of illusion, me broke them now. Jah light lead through shadow, show them twist we mind with sweet seduction. But me chant truth, me build eruption. Chains of illusion silent and tight, but fire within brings sacred sight. From darkness rise from silence. Zion echoes. Yamankali Kush invites your chalice. Jah guide me, we step on the journey through the hills and the valleys. Me walk it surely, urban on me and me feel the mercy. Jah guide me, me heart pure and early. Jah guide me, we step on the journey through the hills and the valleys. Me walk it surely, urban on me and me feel the mercy. Jah guide me, me heart pure and early. From the morning me rise, me face the fight, but me know me never alone. Jah keep me in sight. The road me walk, full of struggle and might, but me walk with courage. Me keep the light bright. Me born in the ghetto, but me never fall. Me rise from the bottom, me stand tall. Just guidance me call, me never stall. Me keep the fire burning, me stand through it all. Me light the herb, me soul fi ascend. Me trust in a Jah, me know him fi defend. The struggle, the pain, the challenges blend, but me hold strong, me no pretend. Jah guide me, we step on the journey through the hills and the valleys. Me walk it surely, urban on me and me feel the mercy. Jah guide me, me heart pure and early. Jah guide me, we step on the journey through the hills and the valleys. Me walk it surely, urban on me and me feel the mercy. Jah guide me, me heart pure and early. Me face the trials, but me never stray. Me walk in the light, me trust in the way. Jah give me the strength, me feel the rays. Me vision clear, me set me pace for the day. Me roll the ganja, me let the stress go. Me connect with the earth, me let the vibes flow. Me see me future, me no move slow. Herb and me medicine, me ready fi grow. The world full of nice, but me ear just call. Me walk through the darkness, me stand tall. Me never fear the battle, me rise after the fall. Jah guide me through the trials, me answer the call. Guide me, me step on the journey through the hills and the valleys. Me walk it surely, urban on me and me feel the mercy. Jah guide me, me heart pure and early. Jah guide me, me step on the journey through the hills and the valleys. Me walk it surely, urban on me and me feel the mercy. Jah guide me, me heart pure and early. Zion echoes, ay ay ay. Me a Ganja Warrior, me fight for the truth. Me a light this spliff, me a teach the youth. shackle, me arm with me weed. Me face Babylon, me stand for the creed. Herb make me strong, herb make me wise. Me see the truth through me herb-filled eyes. The high-grade flow, me blaze the fire. Me spirit arise, me soul aspire. Me chant for the healing, me chant for the peace. Me a Ganja Warrior, me never cease. Me never cease. Me a Ganja Warrior, me fight for the truth. Me a light this spliff, me a teach the youth. From the streets of Kingston to the hills so high. Me smoke the herb, me feel the vibe fly. Me take a puff, me let the smoke rise. Me see the beauty in a Jah skies. Me free from the struggle, me free from the pain. Herb bring the peace, me feel the gain. Me rise above the Babylon lies. Me see the truth, me open me eyes. Herb for the people, herb for the soul. Me a Ganja Warrior, me in control. Herb a the weapon, herb a the shield. In a Jah name, me never yield. For the youth, them a suffer. Me light the way, me spread the message, me show the way. Me a Ganja Warrior, me keep the flame. Me fight for Jah, me no play the game. From the city streets to the mountain wide, me keep the herb by me side. Plant a seed where concrete grow, between the cracks where truth still flow. Them say me mad, them say me stray, but me chant Babylon fears away. Me come from dirt, not silicon dream, where the elders reason, not just dream. Them teach me love, them teach me fight, to stand up strong in darkest night. Me walk through streets where sirens scream, but my mind stays still in righteous dream. Me now wear chain for social rank. My soul no deposit in a them bank. We nah need crown for feel like king. Me hold my power in every hymn. Me see the puppet, me see the strings. Them bow to wealth but me rise and sing. Me chant for youth who can't afford. Them born with fire but system bored. Me give them roots, me give them wings. Me teach them truth, not bling bling things. Me a rebel seed, me grow in storm. My spirit wild, my heart stay warm. Babylon try but them can't erase the ancient code in Rasta face. Me a rebel seed, me rise and grow. From silent cry to thunder blow. Them build them world on greed and speed, but just still water the rebel seed. Them try to sell we culture back, dress up truth in brand and track. But me know Zion from the core, and my spirit sell out nevermore. Me see the youth with glassy eye. Me say come, come, before you dry. Them drowning pixels, mask them pain. but still inside a lion remain. Me write me song in ancient tone. My voice a weapon, my word a stone. Each lyric carved in sacrifice. Me pay the cost, me nah roll dice. Them want me fear, but me nah shake. Me soul secure, me spirit wake. Them pass me paper, fi silent me, but my voice roar like African sea. Me a rebel seed, me grow in storm. My spirit wild, my heart stay warm. Babylon try, but them can't erase the ancient code in RASTA VIBES. Me a rebel seed, me rise and grow. From silent cry to thunder blow. Them build them world on greed and speed, but just still water the rebel seed. So if you're lost and don't belong, come find your path in rebel song. We light the fire with every verse, a healing hymn for Jah universe. Me nah retreat when system rage. Zion echoes, ay ay ay. Them sit down by you be oi oi oi. Jah Light Blaze me a chant and praise. Under the moonlight me a feel no haze. With me chalice me give thanks and raise. The blueberry kushita set me ablaze. Pass the herb make we heal the nation. This a me tool for meditation. Me no need no prescription pill. Jah herb natural, it a keep me still. Babylon want fi mash up the vibe, but me spliff big like the countryside. With me lemons come, me a hold me peace. Jah give we the herb fi the mind release. Jah Light Blaze me a chant and praise. Under the moonlight me a feel no haze. With me chalice me give thanks and raise. The blueberry kushita set me ablaze. Them say the herb a crime, but me say it a cure. From the ancient days it a keep we secure. Ganja make the wicked heart get humble. Lift up me soul when the world a crumble. With me northern lights me a sight just sign. Me vision clear, me future design. Them can't stop Jah earth, no matter the law. It deeper than words, me heart it draw. Inna me palm, me hold the fire. Herb a the truth, me soul's desire. With me mango ace, me a float away. Into Jah realm, me a find me way. So like the chalice make the smoke arise. Me praises reach up to the endless skies. Me nah go stop, me nah go fear. Jah herb keep the spirit near. Zion echoes so Babylon falling down. Them can't hold we stand strong. Jah soldier, we march along.
Them try fi break, them try fi chain, but the truth rise, we break the pain. Me see the struggles, me feel the fight, but Jah Jah guide me through the night. Me hear the voices, me hear them call. The wicked rise, but soon them fall. Them build the system, pan greed and hate, but righteousness go seal them fate. No more hunger, no more fight. Jah kingdom bring the guiding light. True liberation, pure and bright. Love and justice, that's our right. Me sing this song, me lift me voice. The people rise, we make the choice. The system fall, the time is near. Jah rule again, me have no fear. The rivers flow, the earth rejoice. We chant the hymns, we lift the voice. Me see the children, me see them smile. The love of Jah go stretch for miles. Me hear the chant, me see the fire. Babylon shake, the flames get higher. Me hear the thunder, me see the sign. The wicked fall, the righteous shine. The lion roar, me feel the call. Babylon system bound to fall. The night is dark, the dawn will break. Me hold me faith, me never shake. Jah kingdom rise, it spread so wide. The love of Jah, me true me guide. Me people strong, me people bold. The story told from days of old. No chains can hold we, no more pain. The people rise like the mighty rain. Babylon falling, the time is near. Jah kingdom reign, me have no fear. The story told, the fight is done. The battle won, the race is run. We stand as one, we rise above. The power strong, the power love. Me see the world in unity. No more suffering, finally free.
From rubble rise the light, from silence come the fight. Jah people hear the call, stand tall, we nah go fall. Them try fi bury we name, but out of fire rise the flame. Them take the drums, take the land, chain we mind, tie we hand. Them teach lies in the classroom, but we find truth in the full moon. We history blaze like sacred scroll, etched in the soul, not in control. Babylon build them digital wall, but spirit fly we nah go stall. Them a sell comfort, we live real. Them preach fear, we learn fi heal. Me walk barefoot pon burning stone. Me know Jah guide me, me never alone. Me nah need no diamond ring. Me chant when freedom sing. The youth them rise, the old still wise, and fire dance in righteous eyes. Voices from the ashes, hear them roar. Truth rise up from every floor. Them try fi crush, we try fi tame, but we chant still light the flame. Voices from the ashes, deep and wide. Spirit march, we nah go hide. Them silence we, nah never that. We echo loud like thunderclap. Me see them trapped in vanity. We rising over standing clarity. Them build with prison with sweet delight, but me trust in Jah, me walk in light. Me rather grow me own than beg. Me free like roots pan river's edge. Them hustle likes, me harvest love. Me guided by stars above. We nah beg system fi we vice. We chant for justice, we chant by choice. Me hear the cry in the ghetto street, but love still bloom under the heat.
Them say we done, but we just begin. With every loss we rise again. Them hide the truth behind disguise, but we see fire in Jah sunrise. Voices from the ashes, hear them roar. Truth rise up from every floor. Them try to crush, we try to tame, but we chant still light the flame. Voices from the ashes, deep and wide. Spirit march, we nah go hide. Them silence we, nah never that. We echo loud like thunderclap. Them call we rebels, but we prophets. We not care about trending topics. We reason deep in a bingy drum. We know Jah kingdom soon fi come. Them poison food.
Them dress in suits, them talk real sweet, but the same chain still, they pan with feet. Them say freedom, but me smell disguise. A smile upon the face, but fire in them eyes. Me ancestors cry from sugar field. Now we sign contract to make them yield. New plantation in the office space. My boss no whip, but me can't escape. Iron chains now come in code. Silicon cuffs, we upload the load. Them build the system, call it new age, but same old script, just a shiny page. Me see my brethren beg for wage, just fi survive, trapped in cage. Credit trap, student loan. Own the house, but now own the home. Me nah forget what Babylon do. From Congo to Kingston, same screw. So me chant with fire, chant with grace. Expose them lies in a smiling face. Iron chains, cotton smiles. System deep like river miles. Them take we mine, them rob we style, but we rise again. Jah make we wild. Iron chains, cotton smile. We trod the road, rough and vile, but every step we break them guile. Till Zion come in royal file. Them offer comfort, just fi control. Offer peace, but sell the soul. 5-day grind, weekend numb. Repeat again when Monday come. We celebrate small like it's great, but me say nah, we must elevate. Them give us phone, take away thought. Them sell escape, but we still caught. Me not just chant, me act and do. Me grow me food, me build me crew. Me teach the youth, fi read and see. Them history full of mystery. So me light a fire under them feet. Let truth blaze hotter than heat. Me not accept this prison suite. Me a lion, me nah retreat. I am chains, cotton smiles. System deep like river miles. Them take we mine, them rob we style, but we rise again. Jah make we wild. Iron chains, cotton smile. We trod the road, rough and vile, but every step we break them guile. Till Zion come in royal file. Miss a freedom, nah come from vote or from promises, them write and quote. It come from fire, come from fight, come from unity, come from right. Them preach respect. Zion echoes, ay ay ay. Smoke the sack every day. Yeah man. Yo Babylon, can't stop we now. We blaze the herb and rise in yo. Jah herb by the truth, the green leaf show. Ganja in the heart, and let the vibes flow. Herb over Babylon, we rise in the light. We chant for the healing, we free from the fight. From the runs to the kush, the smoke's so pure. They said the ganja the answer, feel the cure. The light the spliff, we puff the fire. We rise on the rhythm, my heart take it higher. We chant for the peace, we chant for the love. It's a Jah herb, come from above. We puff the cookies, my mind unwind. Me free from the pressure, me leave it behind. From the Pineapple Express to the Gelato High, me feel the vibes, me feel the sky. Jah herb body medicine, the soul complete. Me light the chalice, me feel the beat. Herb over Babylon, me rise in the light. Me chant for the healing, me free from the fight. From the runs to the kush, the smoke so pure. They said the ganja the answer, me feel the cure. The rise in the morning, me light the fire. Me chant for the herb, me take it higher. The OG kush, with my soul so still. Me meditate deeply, my heart starts to fill. Me rise from the struggle, me rise from the pain. Me light the fire, the smoking on my brain. Me puff the herb, me feel the rain. Me chant for the victory, me rise again. So blaze the herb, me feel the truth. Me chant for the healing, me free from the youth. Ganja in my heart, me rising at the boot. Say herb over Babylon, nah lose.
Zion calling, me hear the sound. Jah Jah guide me, not falling down. One love, one heart, let's unite. For the future, shining bright. Look to the hills, salvation rise. Jah light shine bright, no disguise. Babylon tricks, them fool the weak, but me spirit strong. Me soul not sleep, me sing me song. Me chant, me praise, me walk the road, me see the ways, me know the fight, me know the pain. But Jah Jah blessings fall like rain. Me rise each day, me face the storm, me hold me faith, me spirit warm. The elders teach, me overstand, me walk with Jah, me hold me hand. The fire burn, it light the night. The people chant, the future bright. Me burn the fire, me burn it high. For the ghetto youths where one reach sky. No politician can buy me vice. Me choose righteousness, me make the choice. Me see the truth, me hold it tight. No evil plan can dim me light. Jah Jah guide me, me never fear. The road is tough, but me persevere. Me walk with love, me trod with peace. Me fight the battle, me never cease. The warrior strong, the people rise. We reach to Zion, me see the skies. Me hear the songs from long before. The ancestors knock on the door. The drum it beat, the bass it roll. Reggae music fill me soul. Me chant Jah name, me lift me hand. Zion near, me understand. The fire blaze, the spirit strong. We chant the song, we move along. The mountains high, the rivers wide. Jah Jah blessings deep inside. The sun it shine, the earth rejoice. Me hear the sound, me lift me voice. Zion echoes. Oh, me hear the battle cry. The wicked run, them can't deny. The warrior rise, the time is now. We bundle lies, we take the vow. Me step on the battlefield with truth in hand. The righteous fight, we free the land. No chains for my mind, no fear for my soul. The fire within make me strong and bold. Me hear the cries of the poor and weak. The system wicked, them talk but cheap, but me nah go bow. Me rise up tall, me trod with love, me break the wall. Jah Jah Warrior, strong and free. Me fight for love, me fight for we. The fire blaze, the wicked fall. We stand up firm, we break them wall. Them try to push we down, but we still rise. The truth them fear, them full of lies. The battle long, but we not lose. We chant Jah name, we walk with shoes. Me see the leaders, them take and take, but we hold faith, we not turn back. The Babylon crumble, the trumpet blow. The righteous ones, they make it show. Oh, the thunder roll, the fire high. The wicked run, them can't deny. We chant Jah name, we walk the way. The righteous rule, for all a day. Me look on Zion, the gates them wide. Me feel the blessings deep inside. No more pain, no more war. Jah Jah love it shine so far. The youth them rise, the elders smile. We trod it righteous mile for mile. The victory sweet, the time is here. We chant Jah name, we feel no fear. Oh, me hear the battle cry. The wicked run, them can't deny. The warrior rise, the time is now. We burn the lies, we take the vow.
Zion echoes. Yo, the fire ignite. Rasta man there. Blaze it high, the herb make me strong. Selassie I guide, the ganja Jah plan. Babylon can't fight Jah Rasta man. Me pushing on me hand, me light it for Jah. One draw, two draw, me feel me go far. The herbal power make my soul elevate. Every puff me take, my destiny create. From me gelato vibes to the Durban poison. The herb make the fire burn, it a real fusion. Me chancellor CI, me keep the vibes true. Herb a Jah gift, it fi heal me and you. Healing flame, it a blaze so bright. Herb in my heart, make my soul unite. The ganja vibes pure, make me feel Jah love. Blaze it up, I make the smoke rise above. Them send me crazy, but my spirit them can't break. The herb in my system, make me not fake. With the sunset sherbet, me meditate deep. The ganja make me strong, it make me not weak. Pass the fire stick, make the circle unite. Jah herb are the way, it a shine the light. Them a fight the Rasta, but Jah vibes prevail. Herb are the remedy, my truth can't fail. The fire still ablaze, the Rasta not done. The healing of the nation, it shine like the sun. Roll it, light it, let the vibes flow free. Every drum I take, Jah live in a me. Healing flame, it a blaze so bright. Herb in my heart, make my soul unite. The ganja vibes pure, make me feel Jah love. Blaze it up high, make the smoke rise above. With the healing flame, Rasta man rise. The ganja vibe strong, it light up the skies. Jah guide my steps, me can't go astray. Blaze the herb bright, make Jah vibe stay.
clouds rising strong, uncompared. My brother by my side from dusk to dawn, under starry skies where dreams are born. Youths on the streets learning day by day, finding purpose strong, paving his way. Blue dream smoke rising clouds in the night, whilst this world flips the spirit light. Feel the rhythm and your soul get lost in the sound. Island beats lifting spirits, we are unbound. From the ground to the clouds, wave your hands up high. Living life to the fullest, no need to ask why. Beneath the palm trees where the ocean meets the shore, we find our peace, our power, so much more. Stories of the past when we dreams of tomorrow. Living for today, no pain, no sorrow. Sunrise shining, casting golden grace. Island rhythm sets the perfect pace. Rasta spirit flowing steady and wide. In the heart of Zion forever we reside. We are one, feel the rhythm, let it sink deep down. Island beats lifting hearts all around. From shore to sky, hands reach so high. Living this life, no need to ask why. So we sway with the rhythm, island and sea, in the spirit of unity, wild and free. Echoes of Zion, hear them sing. In each breath, new beginnings bring.
Jah guide me through the night. The world's so cold, but me stay warm. Me find me peace in Jah Jah arms. The system try fi hold me down, but righteousness it wear the crown. Me walk the road, me hold the faith. Jah Jah love it never late. Jah blessings overflow like river run and trees them grow. Me sing this song, me chant the name. The fire burn, the love remain. Jah Jah blessings, me feel the grace. Me stand up strong, me hold me place. One love guide we day and night. Me walk with faith, me hold the light. Me trod the road, me spirit free. No more chains, me soul at ease. The wicked plot, but them can't win. Jah Jah love it deep within. Me chant me psalms, me sing me tune. The stars them shine, the bright full moon. Me know me path, me stay so true. We rise up high, we push on through. Me see these struggles, me feel the pain, but Jah Jah wash it like the rain. Me rise above, me walk so tall. We never stop, we never fall. The elders teach, the youth them grow. We plant the seed, the love fi show. The journey long, the fight is strong. We hold the faith, we chant this
In the shadow of night, the truth still shine. Guided by Jah, every path divine. The whispers of wisdom echo so clear. A song of redemption for every ear. Through the trials of life, the soul refined. Jah's love eternal, always aligned. Every step forward, the chains them break. A journey to Zion for the kingdom's sake. Light of Zion, shining bright, guiding the way through the darkest nights. Hope eternal, love so pure. In Jah's embrace, we always secure. The hills them speak of the ancient ways, a legacy strong from the elder days. Every root grounded in faith and might, breaking the shadows with Jah's true light. The melodies rise like a healing balm, soothing the weary, bringing calm. From the depths of pain to the heights of joy, Jah's power make every trial destroy. Light of Zion, shining bright, guiding the way through the darkest nights. Hope eternal, love so pure. In Jah's embrace, we always secure. Oh Jah, me praise for the love you give. The reason me rise, the reason me live. No chains can hold, no storm prevail. With you by my side, me can't fail. Me carry the torch for the world to see. The power of Zion, the truth set free. With every heartbeat, me chant the name. Jah's everlasting glory proclaim. From the mountains high to the oceans deep. In Jah's light, my soul can't sleep. Forever me walk with the righteous crew. In the light of Zion, my life renew. Light of Zion, shining bright, guiding the way through the darkest nights. Hope eternal, love so pure. In Jah's embrace, we always secure. Forever shine in the light of Zion, the truth, the love we keep relying on. One step closer, the kingdom near. Jah's light make every vision clear.
Zion echoes, Zion echoes. Ay, 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 dry hashing at the paper. Yeah, man. See the world a twist and turn, but me no worry, me not concerned. We like the herb for the soul, for the mind. Jah love in the air, me can't hide. Me rise above, me stand so tall. We chant for peace, we make the call. The world a chaos, but me see the clear. With Jah's guidance, me have no fear. Me not worry about the fight. Jah's love a keep me right. Me not stress the things we see. Me free up my soul, me live so free. No worry about the world, let it go. With Jah and herb, we feel the flow. From the earth to the sky, we rise above. Me no fear for anything, me trust in love. No worry about the world, let it go. Me rise with Jah, me let the peace show. The world a spin, but me can't fall. With Jah by my side, we stand tall. We like the way we make the move. Me trust the herb, me trust the groove. Jah love, me feel the wake. No worry about the world, me no look back. We rise as one, we stay on track. With Jah love, me no fear the storm.